Why original thinking is difficult to fake? So before we'll dig on that question or answer to that question is, allow me again to greet you. Good day. So originality is very hard to do when you are less in uh, capability to do so. So genuine innovation, especially when that innovation has to do with creating a workable system to answer, of course, some problems that affected the person or the organization in the past. So while the management is trying to find ways to innovate what has to be innovated in the system that would work best for them, there are only few people who could notice that kind of problem, though others in the circle or group had already worked past that kind of loopholes. Then here comes a person who was able to see the problem. That is actually very hard to do or to find to anybody. That sharp sense of sighting problem, especially when the entire group is trying to test ideas that are testing that ideas to be used or utilized for a workable action during a long time ago, but yet nothing had arrived or nothing had resulted